Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is December 15th, 2024, and we're tackling the ETHUSD market. Recent news reports indicate significant institutional interest in Ethereum, with predictions of record highs in the coming year. However, a recent $4.26 billion options expiry event caused a price drop to $3,858.64, raising questions about immediate future price movements. Let's start by looking at the daily chart. The daily chart displays a clear downtrend from the November highs, with support at around $2,000 to $2,200. This is corroborated by a similar support level visible on the hourly chart. A bullish reversal could be expected if the price rebounds from the support, reaching initial resistance at $2,500 to $2,700, or significantly higher to the next resistance level around $3,000. However, sustaining support below $2,000 is unlikely for the long term, potentially leading to further price declines. Now let's analyze the 1-hour chart to gain finer insights. We are observing consolidation following the recent price correction. This consolidation may indicate uncertainty in the market and that the direction of the ETHUSD market remains unclear. If we see volumes spike significantly, this could be a signal of the consolidation ending, and either a bullish or bearish breakout is possible. The hourly chart also shows strong support at $3,000 and resistance at $3,600, consistent with the patterns seen on the daily chart. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart reveals short-term price fluctuations reflecting the current market volatility. Short-term trends can be difficult to predict, but by using indicators, you could try to anticipate the price movements. For example, if the volume increases and the price jumps past a resistance level, it could show that the price might soon continue in that direction. Therefore, looking at the short-term charts and volume levels can help to time your entries and exits. Let's recap the key levels. The major support remains in the $2,000 to $2,200 range, while the resistance levels sit at $2,500 to $2,700 and significantly higher at $3,000. The likelihood of a bullish reversal depends on whether the price can sustain a position above the $2,200 support level. A break below this could signal a bearish trend. The bullish scenario is reinforced by continued institutional buying pressure and positive developments in the Ethereum ecosystem. In contrast, further negative news or sustained selling pressure could push prices downward, while significant volume changes at key levels could indicate a sudden trend reversal. Keep an eye on news related to the Ethereum ecosystem and the overall crypto market. Also, watch out for volume spikes at the $2,000 to $2,200 support level and $2,500 to $2,700 resistance level, as these could be early warning signals of significant price movement. Remember, these are just educated predictions, and trading in the cryptocurrency market involves substantial risk. Always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.